Now, in the beginning, you may get the chips, right? You may get the cards that are absolute trash, but you decide if those cards are going to identify and are going to form your identity in the present and in the future. Imagine tripping over a rock that's behind you. Right. It makes no sense. So why are you picking up the bullshit from the past and allowing it to trip your future and your present? It doesn't matter what cards you were dealt. The question is, what are you going to do now? So many people's identities is found in their trauma. So many people place their identity on their past, what somebody else did to, but what are you going to do about it? How are you going to change the narrative? How are you going to evolve? How are you going to use it to empower you to reach the next level? Dude, what was the difference between the Joker and Batman? They both had childhood trauma. It's what was forged from that trauma. Exactly. One became a hero, one became a villain. So you're writing your story. Nobody's writing it for you. Yeah, things happen, bullshit happens, but you have the power within yourself to determine if you want to be the hero of your story, if you want to be the villain. And most people are self-sabotaging, but if they can understand that the principle is your past doesn't determine who you are right now, that if you focus on becoming successful in every area of life, health, wealth, love, and happiness, this quadrant for a successful life, you can actually live a life of impact.